He never sat me down for a lesson. Never gave me a speech about how to be a man. Never handed me a list of rules to live by. But I learned more from watching him in one ordinary afternoon than from anything I was ever formally taught. These are the 5 things my grandfather showed me without ever saying a single word. Number 1. How to be patient. He could sit with a fishing rod for 4 straight hours without a single complaint. Not because the fish were coming. Not because he had nothing else to do. But because he understood something that took me 30 more years to learn. Some things take the time they take. Number 2. How to fix what is broken. My grandfather never threw anything away that could be repaired. Tools with broken handles. Boots with worn-through soles. A marriage that went through 3 years of silence in the 1970s. He fixed all of it. Not because new things weren't available. But because he believed that something you have put time into deserves the dignity of being repaired. That lesson never left me. Number 3. How to show up anyway. There was never a single game my grandfather missed. Not a school play. Not a graduation. Not a birthday dinner where the food wasn't good and the drive was too long. He showed up. Every single time. Even when he was tired. Even when no one would have blamed him for staying home. Even when nobody thought to thank him. He showed up because that was what he believed love looked like in practice. Not the feeling. The practice. Number 4. How to love without conditions. He never needed me to be impressive. Never compared me to anyone. Never made me feel like his love was something I had to earn by performing well enough. He just loved me. The way the best people love you. Like your value to them has nothing to do with what you produce. I was 9 years old and I didn't understand what a gift that was. I understand it completely now. Number 5. How to leave a room better than you found it. Every place my grandfather went, he left something behind. A repaired fence for a neighbor who hadn't asked. A bag of groceries left at a door without knocking. A kind word to a waitress who was clearly having the worst shift of her week. He never announced any of it. He just did it. Quietly. Consistently. Without needing anyone to see. Not just rooms. Everything he touched, he left it better. I was 9 years old sitting beside him on that porch, and I didn't understand a single one of these things. I understand all of them now. And I would give almost anything to sit beside him on that porch one more time. Did your grandfather teach you something without words? Tell me one thing below. I want to read every single one. Red heart. And share this tonight if your grandfather shaped you into who you are. Red heart.